Hey everybody, it's Debbie O'Neill of Scrap Me Quick Designs, and today I've got another Cricut March mystery box, and this one's called March Madness mystery box, and for only $29.99 you're going to realize why that's totally mad of Cricut to offer it at this price. In the description of the video, you'll see the link to purchase this mystery box. We know that these are going to go fast, so make sure you grab that link. Talk about what's in this March Madness mystery box. The first thing you're going to get is the 12 by 12 sheets. Now this one's called Modern Value Pack, and it is 12 by 12 sheets. There's 20 sheets in here. So you're going to get 4 sheets of black, 4 sheets of the dark red, 4 sheets of the blue, 4 sheets of, it's kind of like a heather gray, it's like a light gray color, and then 4 sheets of the white. Okay, now this is the premium removable vinyl, and it is definitely easy to weed, easy to cut, easy to apply. It's going to lie flat for you. And this is really good, like when you want to put things on the wall or stuff that you want to remove later. Now, it will stay in place for a good while for you, but when you go to remove it off your project, it's going to come off and not leave a big sticky residue on there for you. So this is really great for those projects that you want to like play around with and maybe put it up for a while, and then you want to be able to take it down. Okay, that is the removable Cricut vinyl. It works great. But what I'm super excited about is the Cricut permanent glossy vinyl, because it's way cool. All right, so you are going to get a roll of this is called the Summer Sampler. It has 6 12 by 12 sheets of different colors. Think Caribbean, you know, bright colors, okay? Then you're going to get a roll of 6 by 12 of the pastel sampler pack, and of course those are pastel colors. So you know, you've got your more Eastery type colors, so pinks and a teal and a gray and a yellow and a blue and a purple. All right, you are also going to get a roll of the stone yellow. Now this is a 12 by 48 roll of stone yellow, and you're going to get this beautiful mint color in 12 by 48 and a silver. Okay, so 12 by 48. And last but not least, you're going to get a roll of parchment of the permanent glossy. Now, why am I excited about this? I'm excited because you can use Cricut's product on mugs and tumblers and glass and whatever you want to put it on, and it is dishwasher safe. Okay, I have been doing this test. Let me see if I can show you guys that. So I've used even a little tiny font intentionally. Then I have the big Cricut head here, and also I say wash test on here. So this is just a ceramic mug that I got from the dollar store, and I have washed this mug, I think it's 63 times now, in the dishwasher. Now I do wash it on the top rack, and there's a couple of tips here. Look how it still looks like the day that I put this on. Okay, no, the color hasn't faded, it's all stayed on. Even in those little letters, it stayed on great. But what I want to tell you is there's a couple of things to make it work right. When you apply it, make sure you have cleaned your surface with rubbing alcohol so that it is completely clean. There's no greasy residue, there's no residual soap or anything like that. You want to use some rubbing alcohol and clean your surface. Then you want to apply it, and you want to leave it on for 48 hours before you even think about using it or trying to wash it. Okay, so I put this on, I set it in my craft room, I think I waited like 3 days probably by the time I remembered to go back and use it. But you need to, then it's okay, it's dishwasher safe. That the adhesive on here is new to the Cricut permanent glossy vinyl, so that it is going to really stick to your projects. Okay, this is not removable, this is permanent, and it is fade resistant. And you can use it for decals, you can use it for, you know, doing cut projects, anything like that. And I just wanted to show you guys that because I thought that was way cool. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you is everybody keeps asking me, Cricut has changed to using these clear tubes, okay? And while they're great for hanging up at the retail stores, they're not so great once you get them home and you try to open them up. So someone asked me if the next time I did a video, if I would show you how I get into these tubes. So here we go. I use my True Control knife, my Cricut True Control knife. There's a little piece of tape that's on this tube top, and I open that up just like that. And then the vinyl inside gets kind of static cling around the plastic tube, right? So what I do is I just stick my finger in and I roll it like this. And then where it seems like it's sticking, I may stick my other finger and just kind of pop it around like this. And then I'm able to pull the vinyl straight out. Okay, so that's how I get them out of the tube. Some of y'all were super frustrated and you were trying to cut the tube off, but then you were worried you were going to hurt your vinyl. That's how I do it. Okay, anyway, so that is the March Madness mystery box and a few of my tips for using these products. And if you want it, use the link in the description where you see the video. I appreciate that. And if you want to use the promo code, add a few more items in there. Maybe you need a knife blade. I use the light grip Cricut mats with all of my vinyl projects. You may want to grab some light grip Cricut mats or a scraper tool or a weeding tool, or maybe some of the other. This comes in a lot of colors, guys. So if you need some more colors, grab some more rolls. So thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you give this a try. And I definitely recommend this permanent glossy vinyl for putting on cups and mugs. Talk to you guys later. Have a great day.